Christmas is upon us, and I know my viewers are looking for the ultimate gift to give to their children, or face it, probably even yourself, because you want something really, really cool. So today I'm going to be reviewing this RC helicopter. Now before you run off, I promise this is easy to fly. You don't need any experience with RC helicopters, planes, anything like that. The technology that they have in these things is absolutely amazing. Look, gyro stabilized. It uses an optical sensor to sense the ground. This is going to be easy, and I'm about to show you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, got a helicopter here to review, so I'd like to thank the good folks at RTR Hobby. There will be a link down in the description where you can pick this up. They have this and several other helicopters now. This also comes in a pretty cool blue looking one. I actually like this one because I flew this in the Army. This was our trainer, the Bell 206, what I trained on at Fort Rucker, Alabama, when I was a warrant officer in flight training. This was the first one that we flew for primary and instrument training. And it kind of looked like this, white and orange. So it kind of brings back some sweet memories. But quick look here in the back of the package. They have other helicopters here. Something that looks like the little Special Forces deal, the little bird there. I actually have this one. So I have a little experience with these. These are really easy to fly, but just because I have one doesn't make me an expert. But so you know, they have all these cool. Look, this one's a camera. There's another one's a flying camera, like helicopter. But they got the military line up here, so you know your Black Hawk. That one I don't know. I don't recognize as military, but we got the Huey, Apache, the Cobra, the Comanche, which supposedly never went into production. And this one's weird. It almost looks like from the TV movie, Blue Angel. Oh, I forget the name of it now. It was the police helicopter, Blue Thunder. I think it was Chinook, Osprey. They got an RC Osprey? Huh, that would be interesting. But check out the link in the video in the description. Now they have a discount code right now. This is only good for 2024. BF20, the code is in the description or on their website. Black Friday 20, you can save 20%, and they have a $5 off for first-time customer as well. It's stackable. And then outside of that, I'll have a code there. L to the W10 will save you 10% off any other time outside of the Black Friday sale if you want to buy one. So take a look in the box here. We got some instructions. I highly recommend you read these before taking flight. We have a USB-C cable. Yeah, USB-C. We have some extra parts here. So we have an extra tail rotor, a screwdriver, and a little Allen wrench. We also have a set of an extra set of main rotor blades here. Here's the coolness right here. Check that out. Yeah. So if anybody's wondering, because I get asked this a lot, these right here in real life, there should be one down here, but this has a little floodlight. These are actually cable cutters. So if you're flying along, you actually come across power lines or something. It's supposed to go in here, cut that before it gets up here in the main rotor system and causes you to crash. So there should be another one down here, but it's just an RC deal. So it looks like we got a working floodlight here in the front. Possibly, oh yeah, looks like we got a little working light back here. This thing is cool looking. This looks so real. So what do we got? We got a battery down here, which I think, yeah, just squeeze that. Okay, so there's a USB port, USB-C port on the side of the battery. So that's how you charge that. So I need to go ahead and do that, and so we can fly this thing. That looks really cool. To be honest with you, completely honest. I mean, that just looks so real. And then we got a basic remote. You'll need 4 AA batteries to put into here. So we have 3 settings here for speed. 1, 2, 3. And we also have an auto takeoff and landing button, it looks like. So one thing that I'm a little concerned with before we fly it is all of my remote control airplane stuff, this button stays down and you throttle it up. This one springs up here to the middle. So maybe that's by design, hopefully. But that's just a first glance. So we do have some trim features here. So this should be increase your throttle, make you go up and down. This should make you turn left and right. This should make the helicopter go left and right, actually like drift sideways. And this should be forward and backwards. Now the key is don't panic. Get a nice calm place to practice, and also be mindful of the wind. This is a very light toy, so don't go out there if the winds are gusting, because you really don't want to lose your brand new helicopter. So let's see, hopefully this thing, I'm going to put some batteries in here and I'll be back here in a second. As with any RC, we want to turn on the transmitter first. This thing, I believe you're just going to hold that down. There we go. Up, then down. Yeah. There we go. We'll do a little pre-flight check. Let's see what's going on. Oh, look at that. So that's your make it go left and right. Let's see if it... Oh yeah, when you put it in the center here, it doesn't do it as much. Look at that. Oh, it's like just like a real helicopter with a swash plate in there. See, it moves more here than it does there. So even going forward, look, only this in a real helicopter is what you call your retreating blade, because the front end creates your lift, and as you're going forward, the air's not producing as much lift as on this side. So that's why that one's moving more. Oh wow. So this is the up and down. So this one should just be by tail rotor speed. Oh wow, that thing really, that's cool. That is so cool. See how we only got one blade here moving that. See how that moves, but then when we get over here, now it's this blade moving. See how it transitions? That's freaking cool. That is so cool. All right, I'm gonna charge up the battery and we'll see you outside. Oh, look at it go. It even sounds real. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, it's a little windy. A little bit windy. Let this guy finish flying. We have two ways of launching. Let's try this, the auto launch. Whoa, where are you going? Alright, so drift left. Oh, it's either wind gusts. So let's put it into the wind. So that makes it go forward and backwards, right? This makes it drift left and right, which the wind is really pushing it. So then we have our up and down. And then that makes it spin. So really easy. Let's see. I mean, look. So it is drifting a little this way. Let's the key is not to panic. It's the wind's pushing it just a little bit. I'm trying to get this trim set so it stops getting pushed. don't forget, you're gonna have to probably do the trim every day, because like the wind's gonna be. But guys, look, that's so easy. So it's still wanting to drift a little bit. Man, guy, I'm telling you, man, there's nothing to this. There is nothing to it. So let's see the speed. Oh yeah. Whoa. Woo. So the nice thing is, yeah, you got the you have the speed setting here too, which will really help you out. And you know, you can mess with your cat. So the nice thing, unlike a drone, is that you don't need GPS to fly this. Oh no! Oh, there we go. Little durability test for you. Guys. So the nice thing, unlike a drone, is that you don't need GPS to fly this. Oh no! Oh, there we go. Little durability test for you. Guys. Oh, see, here comes the wind gust. Yeah, it's pushing it back. Let's try this auto land. So if you freak out, get yourself in a bad spot, just hit auto land and let it come down. So let's try the, you should be able to fly it manual. Let's let this little gust of wind. Oh, like I said, you know, you got forward, backwards, makes it drift left, makes it drift right, but see the wind's pushing it. This spins the back end around. Man, look at that. I'm gonna have to, I had to turn the power up to get it to go forward. And then, you know, you got your up and down, so there, you just go forward, give it a little tail, and that's all you need. Impress your friends, make you they'll think like, hey, you're an expert helicopter pilot. It does pretty good. It does really, really good when there's no wind. But so you could probably, I mean, you could fly this indoors. Like I was saying, unlike a drone that needs GPS, this does not use GPS. So wow, this is cool. All right, let's see, how do we land this thing on manual mode? I think we just hold it down. So yeah, this wasn't even really an issue. It does fly from there up. So man, check it out. Guys, this thing is cool. This is the gateway to you getting bigger and better planes and helicopters and stuff like that. But yeah, if you're looking for a really cool Christmas gift, this is for ages 14 and up. Oh, look, that's blinking, so that must mean, oh, it's bound. Maybe that's an indication the battery's getting weak. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, because it wasn't blinking before. So that must be your visual indicator that, hey, the battery is dying. Okay, I did not know that. So when you see the little, keep an eye out for your lights there. When it's blinking, it's time to land. Well, everyone, I think this thing is cool. It looks realistic. It feels pretty good, actually. I mean, you got some good flex here in the skids, what you need. I did whack that tree right there, and I don't see any signs of damage to the blades, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, if you're looking for the ultimate little Christmas gift, give this a consideration. Like I said, Black Friday sale going on now. Save 20% and a stackable discount of $5 off for brand new customers. And then if you missed the Black Friday sale, at any given time you're watching this, use L to the W10, save you 10% on anything in the store there. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you, RTR Hobby, for the opportunity to review this. You guys know, even though it's given to me, I keep it completely honest how I feel about stuff, so that way you can trust me for honest reviews. You know, if this thing didn't meet the cut, I would definitely tell you, but I do like this thing. It is easy to fly. Don't panic. I think you'll have a good time with this, you, your kids, whoever. Also, there's other models that come with 2-3 batteries. You might want to pick one of them up, but pretty cool. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed. Hope you'll pick one up and have fun. Let Santa drop this off for you. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.